It's important to have a backup copy of the Cisco iOS software. If the iOS image on the router becomes corrupted, you can download the backup image. The copy command lets you back up and load iOS images as well as configuration files. Before you begin a backup of the iOS, you will need to know its name. Use the show flash command to find it. The iOS file name includes the platform the image runs on, the feature set it supports, whether the file is relocatable or compressed, the version number, and the file extension. We'll use the copy command to upload the iOS image in the router's flash memory to our TFTP server. After typing the copy command, we are prompted for the iOS file name. We next supply the IP address of the TFTP server. If we wanted to, we could rename the iOS image backup by supplying a new file name. In this case, we'll accept the current file name. Depending on the file size and connection type, the file transfer might take several minutes. We've stored a copy of the current iOS image on the TFTP server as a backup. If we needed to replace the current iOS image in the router's flash memory, we would simply copy the backup image from the server again. You can also download iOS images from other locations using the copy command. When we load a new copy of the iOS directly into Flash, we immediately replace the iOS image running on the router. This does disrupt both routing functions and remote administration connections through Telnet. If we simply wanted the router to boot up with a different iOS image, we could use the boot system command instead. Depending on the amount of flash memory available, the router will likely need to erase flash and then download the new image file. The prompts guide us through the process. Again, it can take several minutes to complete. To review, use the copy command to back up the iOS image file in Flash to a TFTP server, or to replace the iOS file in Flash with another in an alternate location.